Guys, in this video, we will learn what is a string join function in Python, and it is used to join elements of the sequence separated by a string separator, right? This function joins elements of a sequence and makes it a string, right? In Python, we can use the join function with different types of iterable such as list, tuple, string, dictionary, and sets. Okay, let's understand them one by one with help of example. Okay, I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 installed on my computer, right? So let's get started with today's video. First, we will learn join a string into a string. Okay, I'm using join function and I have one string that is a Python word, right? This is the string which I want to use to join this separator. Okay, if you're in the program, so you see, okay, so this is how we can join any of the separator in our string. Okay, and what this join function works, concatenates any number of string, and what type of parameter it is expecting, it is expecting iterable, right? Iterable str only, right? So if you talk about this string, so it is a iterable of characters. Now let's see join a list into a string in Python. Okay, I'm gonna use this same variable. So this is my list of a string, this. Okay, you can consider the same separator, hyphen minus dot join, and I'm going to pass this s1, this list, into the join, right, which accepts the iterable object. Okay, here, so this is iterable object. Okay, if I run the program again, so you will see the Python like this. Okay, if you want to put any of the character, right, so it will include hash. Okay, you see, any of the string you can put. You want to put, let's say, code into each items, so you will see code is added right in between. Now let's see join a tuple element into a string in Python, right? We are using same variable, but we are initializing with different type of data. Okay, if you print, so this is tuple. If you want to print the type, we can use type function and we can check the type of the object, right? If you run, so it would be tuple, right? You see, it is a tuple class. Join my separator. This time I'm going to take dollar dot join and pass on my tuple, right? If you're in the program, so you will see dollar would be added into the string, okay, in each tuple item. Okay, you see the same thing another way, right? Instead of taking the separator in the same line, okay, so you can take str and then you are saying this is my dollar, okay, and on str you are applying join function. If you're in the program, so this will show you the same output, right? No difference. Okay, now let's see join a sets element into a string, right? Sets element, so sets can be declared how? Sets can be declared like this. Okay, and if you're in the program, so you will see a type of the class that is set, right, for this same variable. Okay, and even we got the output, right? So we have joined this separator into this sets element, right? So this is how the sets work. Now let's see how we can join elements of dictionary, right? So in case of dictionary, you can define one dictionary. Okay, so this is our dictionary. If you print this dictionary, so you will get the output in the same way, key and the values, right? Key and their values, right? Key value pairs we have. Print the type, you will see there is a type of dictionary. You see dictionary. The point here is we can join only keys of dictionary, right? Again, I want to use hyphen dot join. Since dictionary is a iterable type of object, so we can use it. You see, name, email with this hyphen. Okay, only keys. Okay, if you add one more keys here and you run the program again, so we have one more key. So it will got added, right? Like this, with this join. Okay. But for important note, we have to take care when we join the dictionary keys, it only joins the key which are string only, not an integer, right? For example, the key is in integer type. Okay. Now you would see a one warning here, right? Expected type iterable string, but got dictionary int str instead, right? So it will not run. It will raise you the error. Okay. You see, we have some error, type error. We have not passed correct type in the join function, right? Join function expecting iterable str, right? So we have seen different type of types where join function can be used for iterable items.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.